Actually, pinag-aaralan namin ngayon yan. But off top, dahil nga papasok ang budget, dahil marami kaming committee hearings na gagawin, nakikita ko na kakailanganin namin mag-rent ng space sa PICC. No? Dahil obviously, nagamit yung aming committee hearings sa committee offices sa impeachment. So with that, we will need additional funds to rent the offices. So in short, wala kaming pondo para magbigay ng pagkain sa prosecution and defense.
Wait, yung PICC, sir, ay for your hearings or ililipat mo ng impeachment?
No, for the budget hearings. For the budget hearings.
How much are we looking at?
Kino-cost out pa namin ngayon kasi ngayon ang available na committee rooms 3 lang eh. So kung sunod-sunod na yung budget hearing and ini-expect namin mabigay sa amin yung NEP by middle of August. So kailangan talaga paspasan yung budget hearings plus yung mga committees pa of course. No? So hindi kasya yung 3 committee rooms sa budget and other committees. It's going to be a challenge, honestly. Kagaya ngayon, may nagkaroon ng 2 hearing. On the average, isang hearing is about 4 to 5 hours. No? So, ang budget hearing, minsan tumatagal pa. So, it's really going to be a challenge. But, I'll work with the chairman, no? Si Senator JV, kung paano natin i-schedule mabuti. Kaya, isa sa mga tinitignan namin para sabay-sabay nag-hearing, magrenta ng committee rooms sa PICC. Kausap ko yung mga senators, so we're planning to hold committee hearings and budget hearings Thursdays and Fridays. As soon as binigay na sa amin yung NEP, we will schedule the DBCC and the budget hearings ASAP. No, based on my experience last time, to be honest about it, last time nag-reenact tayo for 4 days. So hindi na pwede maulit yan dahil mabagal na yung economy natin, wala pa tayong bagong budget, maapektuhan ng 2027 economic growth natin.